does the industry even pick ESG stocks, right? So they have companies, right? And these are index providers, right? And these index providers will talk to the management of these companies. They will talk to the management of the companies. They will read the news of these companies. And on top of that, they will look at industrial practices that this company does on a daily basis, right? So based on these three factors, news, talking to management, and looking at their industrial practices, right? MSCI and FTSE will rate these companies whether they are ESG compliant or not. How do you find a really good stock? So what are the indicators that we use, right, as value investors? So the hint over here, PE ratio. What else? Dividend yields, price to book, right? Verizon has a good ESG rating. There's AA ESG rating. But in terms of whether one should buy, hold, or sell, we can see there is a strong inclination towards hold. And why is this, right? Basically, Verizon is just like a telco company, right? And if we were to look at telco companies in Malaysia, like Digi-Celcom, right? Right now, there's merge. What they do is that, in terms of growth, not so much of growth, right? Or in terms of upside, not so much of upside, right? Especially among the telco players. But they give good dividends. So therefore, even though this is a good ESG company, but in terms of what the analysts are saying, they said maybe hold this stock. Maybe not buy this stock, right? And why do you want to hold the stock? It's because of dividends. So this is like a player with really good sportsmanship, but it's not the best player in the field, right? If we were to look at Cisco, also the same story. There is a stronger inclination towards hold, and the ESG rating is AA. So if you want to get like the superstar players, which is excellent, really good, help you win games, at the same time have really good sportsmanship, right? We can actually see stocks like Microsoft. But in terms of upside, not much of an upside. Is about 3.14%. ICLN price is about 1865. Even though they actually had a very good story behind it, renewable energy, more and more people are moving towards it, and it is a high growth sector, basically, right? So if you are looking towards it, maybe this is one of the ETFs you may want to look at.